Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open the Charge GPT app or website and find the sign-in page. Create an account with email, Google, or Apple credentials when prompted. Confirm your email and set a secure password for your account immediately. Choose a subscription or continue with the free plan to start testing features. Review basic privacy and data settings before proceeding. Tap the Getting Started tour if you want a quick overview of key functions. Begin by writing a concise prompt that clearly states the task and desired format. Specify examples, constraints, and format to improve accuracy and reduce follow-ups. Select a model version and adjust response length, temperature, and creativity sliders for control. Use system instructions to set the role, tone, and output style before sending your request. Include reference data or bullet lists to guide the response when necessary. Send the prompt and wait for the generated reply. Review the reply and use follow-up prompts to clarify or revise specific points. Request numbered steps, code blocks, or summaries to reshape the output quickly. Save useful responses to named folders or pin them for easy access later. Export important outputs as TXT, PDF, or copy to clipboard for sharing. Enable autosave and set export preferences to maintain consistent backups. Check billing, usage logs, and API keys periodically to monitor consumption and costs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.